download a TikTok video without a watermark, because there is something that you have to know. When you are uploading a video that has a watermark on it, a TikTok watermark on it, YouTube will not accept a video that has a TikTok watermark. So what you have to do, you can remove it. You can download a video without TikTok watermark, and this is what I want to share with you. So the first thing that you have to do, you need a browser, you need a good internet. Anyway, just any internet, it can work. So what you're going to do, I want you to go to a website called ssstic.io. Remember that, s3stick.io. So in this ssstic.io, it is a website where you can simply go to TikTok, copy TikTok video URL or link, and then you can paste it there, and then you can download. Then you can re-upload if you want to your YouTube channel or on your Facebook or Instagram. So this is very important thing that it can help you. The reason why we are doing this, removing the watermark using this sssstick.io, is because you might have a TikTok and then you go live on TikTok and you want to download that and also reuse it again on your YouTube channel or on Facebook. And when you download it, there's a watermark on it. And remember, yes, I know the video belongs to you, but that watermark TikTok icon does not belong to you. It is a trademark for TikTok. So what you are going to do, you are going to remove that so that you can upload, you can re-upload your TikTok video on other social media. So you have to use sssstick.io website to remove your TikTok icon or watermark. But remember, if you download it already and there's a watermark on it, you cannot remove it. It is already permanent. But if you simply go to your channel on your TikTok and then you go direct to URL link and then you copy that and you paste it here on this website called sssstick.io, this website will remove that watermark because it is the original video. And then there you can reuse it again. So make sure you follow this because it is very important. All right. So thank you for watching. Please, if you are new to my channel, I would like you to follow or simply hit the subscribe button or like or share or do whatever you would like to do to support me. Thank you. Please do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can get all my latest video.